The provocation from our neighbors appears to be relentless without no end to sight. Now, when we are looking at the Pahalgam attack, Pakistan, which has been consistently demonstrating that provocation is ingrained in its strategy, just recently they have continuously been violating the ceasefire along the LOC, and they have plunged when it comes to as far as the attack on the civilians is now concerned, when it comes to the that are now concerned along the international border as well, which has further escalated tensions and has undermined any semblance of peace.
Pakistan Army on the night of Tuesday violated the ceasefire in Pragwal sector from where we are reporting right now. Indian Army retaliated appropriately. Surprisingly, this was the first time when Pakistan Army violated ceasefire on international border after the Pahalgam terror attack. And in fact, now what we are going to show you is the visual of that particular side where you can clearly see that how Pakistani Army seems to be very much terrified and rattled by the befitting reply that's been given by the Indian Army. The reason being, you can see in your pictures that how not just the Pakistani posts are empty, but the bunkers are empty as well. And earlier, in fact, what the villagers also told us that earlier on these particular posts, there were flags that were installed. The Pakistani flags, the flag of Pakistan was installed over here on these particular posts. But these flags have been removed, and now in fact they are certainly indicating to one simple thing that definitely Pakistan Army has shifted their camps back. They are rattled, they are terrified, they are scared by the kind of response the Indian Army had given them yesterday, last night. And in fact what we are also getting to know is that the bunkers are also empty over here, and they have shifted back from this particular border from where we are reporting right now, that you could have seen on your television screen. But now we'll have to see that yes, what happens next, because tension remains to be escalated on both these sides as well, and in fact here either at the LOC and at the international border as well. यहाँ पर पाकिस्तान की पोस्ट पर फ्लैग लगे हुए थे, उन्हें हटा दिया गया है।
हाँ, पाकिस्तान की फौज पे जो इधर बॉर्डर है हमारे को आधा किलोमीटर दूर है, जहाँ से हमें सब दिखाई देता है। जो उनके रेंजर्स है वो भी इधर पहले एक हफ्ता पहले घूमते थे, लेकिन अभी उन्होंने उधर आना जाना बंद कर दिया है। जो उनके फ्लैग लगे हुए थे वो भी अभी शायद उतर गए हैं।
कब से हुआ है? कल जो कि फायरिंग हुई उसके बाद इंडिया ने रिटेलिएट किया, इंडिया ने भी फायरिंग में जवाब दिया।
हाँ, इंडिया ने तो फायरिंग में जवाब उनको दिया है, लेकिन तो वो उससे पहले भी कहीं पीछे छुपे हुए हैं। वो पहले से दिखाई नहीं, अगर उन्होंने फायरिंग भी किया तो कहीं उन्होंने छुप के किया है, सामने से नहीं किया उन्होंने।